Hey, what's up everybody, Sami here. Today we are looking at the possibly most comfortable e-bike I've ever ridden, the Zectron e-bike. So what's special about it? Let's take a look. Well, first to the design, I think that's one of the things make this Zectron bike stand out from the crowd. Alright, first to the handlebars. On the left handlebar we have the power key, minus and the plus key. Also this is the horn, short press to turn on the bike. You will hear beep. And minus and plus key is for speed mode adjusting, like you hold and press the plus key to switch among eco mode. And this is the normal mode. As you can see, there's a round of blue indicators there. And then you press and hold to switch to the sports mode. And you short press the plus or minus key to adjust the pedal assist level. Like right now, here is level 1. Here, just press once, pedal assist 2, 3, 4, 5, and that's the basic operation. Oh, if you are wondering about the horn, that's pretty loud, right? All right, now move to this 3.9-inch display. As you can see, it's embedded right in the handlebar, unlike the separated ones that may look ugly, but this one looks sleek and integrated, which looks good, right? So on the display here is the current speed, and also here the pedal assist mode, this time, and this is the battery indicator, and this odometer, and this, yeah, we just said is the speed mode, right? And now move to this side, and here we have the 7-speed Shimano gear, also the throttle control, and that's it. And now here we have the hydraulic brake lever, and that's basically the handlebars. Now moving down, we have the folding mechanism on this e-bike here and here. Let me show you how to fold this bike down. Actually, it's very easy. Just press here, here, oh. Okay, here and then here. Oh, okay, basically fold it down. And also here, the pedals here is also foldable. And here you go. Once you fold it down, you can carry it away. The weight is fine. I've seen more heavier, but it's not light as well. But if you want to carry it, you can still carry it. Oh, okay. That's the foldability. Or the seat is also adjustable, so you can always adjust it according to your height. Or okay. Now moving to the light, we have the front light and the rear light. All right, just short press on the power key to turn them on. And now moving to the tires, the Zectron e-bike has two normally 20 by 2.1-inch tires. All right, this kind of tire is good for all kinds of city roads and even on those loose roads like dirt or sand. For each tire, they feature this kind of hydraulic disc brake, and on the rear tire we have this 250 watts motor. And now moving to the most important part, the rear shock absorber, the hydraulic suspension. And together with the suspended seat and the whole unique body design, which makes this bike super comfortable to ride. And speaking of the ride quality, let's give this thing a ride! Once I hopped on this e-bike, I got totally blown away by the ride quality, and I would say this is probably one of the most comfortable e-bikes I've ever ridden so far, if not the most. On the official page, they claim that the dynamic rear suspension and its anti-shock technology ensures a cloud-like riding experience. Well, I just don't know how to describe this cloud-like feeling, but I can tell you, once I'm on it, I can just bounce up and down like I'm on a trampoline. It's just so much fun to ride. Everybody I showed the e-bike to just loved the trampoline-like riding experience. If we compare it with other bikes, when we ride over speed bumps, we can see the force that comes as we land is absorbed by the hydraulic suspension and the chain stays. And because the seat is suspended, it will give us this super spring-like experience. The reason that traditional bikes cannot achieve this great comfort is because the seats are all directly connected through chainstays and seat stays to the frame. Thus, the bumps from the road will directly impact on your hips. See how smart I am? I mean, how smart the Zectron team is. The techniques and principles behind this innovative design must be complicated and cannot be explained by 1 or 2 sentences. But as a consumer, we don't need to know all of that. We just need to know whether it's comfortable to ride. For city roads or lawns, definitely no problem at all. I also took it to off-road high grass. This thing nailed it. I deliberately hit beams and curbs. This bike handles it like a boss. I've got to say, this bike gives me the best fat tire e-bike riding experience. Oh, it's even better than that because it doesn't have fat tires, so it feels more flexible and limber to maneuver. The pedaling experience is just great. Sometimes I can feel I'm a super cyclist where I pedal to get the fastest speed from it. The bike I got only offers a 250 watts motor, but because of the compact design of the body, I can still get a good amount of power while riding. I can either reach up to 24 or 25 km per hour on flat ground with my almost 100 kilograms weight. I can climb the steep slopes without too much effort. Regarding the battery life, as I only have a limited time with the bike so far, so I'm unable to tell you if it really has 120 km range on open mode or not. Do you want me to test the range like the one I tested on the Fido D11? You guys really want to kill me, huh? I spent several weekends to test that. But if you really want, just leave a comment below and give my channel a sub. That will give me so much motivation. The good news is the Zectron offers an extra battery pack to let you have an up to 250 km range. That's just crazy. One thing you have to take note of though is that once you install the extra battery pack, it's impossible to fold the bike. You have to unassemble it and put it in a bag or something. A little bit of hassle, but if you want an unbeatable range, this is the best way. Oh, by the way, if you want to know how to install the extra battery pack, you can check out my previous unboxing video. It's easy and fast. The Zectron e-bike also comes with a simple app. They have an app here. A very simple one. First, you have to turn on the bike and then you click right here on, right? And blah blah blah. On is turned on, you will hear a beep. Now it's on, and here you can adjust different things. The app is actually very simple. Like here, you can adjust different pedal system mode. When you adjust it, it will show on the screen. That's easy. And here it shows battery level. Single trip, total mileage, max speed, and that's the home page. Alright, and here you can adjust the light, and you can even lock it. So when you lock, it will beep when someone just push it. Let me show you. Okay. Alright, so next time when you see someone on the street with a beeping bag, chances are that he is stealing it, so call the police. Alright, that's basically the app, and now moving to the conclusion. Alright. After my kind of crazy test during the last 2 or 3 days, I've got to say I'm super impressed by this Zectron e-bike. It's just so much fun and comfortable to ride. This dynamic rear suspension design is out of this world. I think every bike should adopt this instead of this old-fashioned one. So if you really want a robust and unprecedented comfortable e-bike that's also beautiful, I mean, just check out how sleek that thing is. No welding joints, no wires here and there. The unibody design just looks minimalistic and polished, right? Then the Zectron e-bike should be right at the top on your shopping list. And if you are interested in this e-bike, please check out the link in the description and back the project now. That's the video. Thanks for watching. I'm Sami. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.